Hello, Asalam O Alaikum to all of you guys. I hope you all are going good and fine and fit as well. Guys, today basically we are going to discuss on a very significant topic, interesting one as well for the ones related to programming and programming fundamentals and the minds that are enriched with the beauty of programming. So today the topic is on Java. What is basically Java? A simple definition, a language, a general purpose computer programming language that was designed in 1995 to produce programs that can run on any computer system, any sort of computer system. A simple definition, general purpose means anyone can use it on any PC, on any, not only on supercomputer it can work, on any PC it can work. So coming up on to the TIOB index, TIOB index. According to that index, that is for the popularity of programming languages, Java stands on top of the popularity index as the most used programming language consistently over the past years since 1995 and further till 2021. This Java is on the top. According to this survey, to this index, to this report, it says Java is on the top. Now, with Java being backed up by many corporates like Oracle and many other big corporates and companies, Java has set up a very strong foot in the industry. Many firms, companies, industries, useful libraries and frameworks are basically getting developed. Many team forces are coming up, many workforces coming up on the image, on the screen, and they are getting developed under the sponsorships of these corporates that are highly welcoming the developer community of Java. Means the scope is not stopping up, it's not getting diminished. Now, having such a strong community and user base, Java is becoming the programming language that is used in developing various technologies in different fields. Java is undoubtedly known as the backbone of billions of applications and devices, and still is gonna go. The future is ahead of Java. So concluding our debate, we can say that we have seen the present and the future scope of Java, and in the next couple of videos we are going to discuss on the career opportunities of Java. But today we have discussed regarding the present and the future scope that is not going to stop. Java is not going to stop, and learning Java programming totally worth your time. Your time does not go in waste. It's worthful and your efforts are worthful. And if you're willing to work in the IT sector, Java is the top priority. That's it. So if you have any suggestions regarding our videos, kindly suggest us in the comment box below. Tell us if you have any issues, queries regarding our current video regarding this Java, the video, or any other related to any other topic, you can share with us in the comment box. Kindly subscribe our channel, press the bell icon for more updates and notifications, like our video, and thank you for watching.